Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WordPress video series. In this video, I'll show you how you can create a WordPress website within minutes using the free AI website builder. This AI website builder will create a fully functional WordPress website within minutes. You don't need to do anything. It will create the layout, it will add the images, it will create the pages, it will also add the content on your WordPress website. And the best thing is that all the websites created using this AI website builder will be in WordPress. So using WordPress, you can customize this layout, you can change the content on the website, you can add your own content, you can change the images, you can create more pages. So this is going to be the first draft of your WordPress website. Let me show you the sample website that I have created for home security installation. This is the sample website created by this AI website builder. I have not added a single image or a single line of content on this website. Everything is generated automatically. You will see it here. This is the home page. Testimonials are also added here. If I go to contact, you will see the contact page. And contact form is also created. If I go to dashboard, you will see these pages are created automatically. So the entire website will be created in WordPress, and WordPress is super easy to use. I have published many videos on how to create website using WordPress. So let's see how we can create a WordPress website within minutes using the free AI website builder.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the tool. The name of the tool is 𝗟𝗡𝗤𝗞, and you can see that it is still under construction. You will see the name 𝗟𝗡𝗞 Alpha. So I have got the early access to this tool, and I'll show you how you can create free WordPress website using the AI builder. Let me show you the website of this tool also. This is the website 𝗟𝗡𝗞𝗘.com, and currently it is not officially launched. However, you can join the waiting list and soon you will get access to this tool. So let's go back to the dashboard. Let me show you the dashboard here. Right now I have got the access for the free plan, and I can create up to 3 websites. And here you can see the disk space is about 1 GB, and I can create a blank website or I can create a complete website. I just need to enter some prompts and it is going to create the complete website in the WordPress. Now here you will see create new website, blank website, complete website, and custom website. This option is still not available. It will be coming soon. You can also mark some of the websites as permanent sites, so they will not get expired after a certain period of time, because in the free version you can create up to 3 websites. However, they will be deleted after 24 hours, so it will stay there for 24 hours, and within that time you can make changes and you can transfer this website to your hosting server, or you can download the website using some WordPress plugin. So you will get 24-hour time in the free version. Right now let me show you. You will see upgrade your plan. If I open it, you will see some plans, and here you will see this is the free version. Then we have personal, pro, and business. And this is the yearly billing structure. You will see in the free version you can create up to 3 AI WordPress websites per day. Website will expire in 24 hours. In the personal plan you can create up to 5 websites per day and 5 permanent sites. So these sites will remain there as long as you wish. Once you transfer the website to your hosting server, you can delete and create a new one. In the pro plan you can create up to 10 WordPress websites, 10 permanent sites. These are the features. And in the business plan you can create up to 30 AI websites and 30 permanent sites. So all these 30 sites can be marked as permanent sites. In the business plan you can also use the white label domain. I'll show you what does this mean. You can map the domain, so you can use it as hosting server. You will get access to AI wireframe builder. These are the features. So I'll give you the link to this page. You can compare these plans. So I have the access to the free version, so I'm going to create free website. Let me show you how does this work. So here I'm on the dashboard. Let's go to create a new website and click on complete website. Now here you will see this website is for, you can select business, restaurant, organization according to your requirement. I'm going to select business. and it will be in English. Click continue. Enter the name. So this will be the name I want, Param Home Security Installation. So I'm going to create a website for home security device installation. This is a kind of business that for which I want to create a website. Click continue. Now here you can enter some information about the requirements of your website, such as what are the services you want on the website, what this website will be about. So I have already created some information, so let me show you. So here is what I have. The website will be about the home and office security device installation, such as a security camera, smart locks, access control. The services provided by the owner are home security, smart home security. So I have provided some services that will be offered on this website, and I'm asking to create pages for these services. And I have also mentioned the color combination, that will be green, blue and white. So I want this color combination. Now here you will see improve using AI. So if I click on it, all right, so it has added some more information using AI. All right, so this one looks good. Click on continue. Now here you will see select relevant images for your website. So you will see some images are there, and these images are already selected. So if you do not want any one of them, you can simply uncheck it. Many images are already selected. I can use this one, this one, this one. All right, so I guess all these images are copyright free, so you can use them on your website. You can see that this image is from Pexels, which is also a copyright free image. So these are the images that I have selected. Click continue. Now I'm going to add the information of the business owner. So this will be some dummy information that I'm going to enter here. Now if you want to add social media links, you can see that option here. Let's add Facebook, and I'm going to add the Facebook link here. Plus add YouTube. If you want to add more, you can click on the plus sign and add the social media links. I'm going to use 2 links. Click continue. Now you will see the structure that you want for the website. So you can select one of the structure from here. Let's see, this one also looks good. It will give you some sample layouts. You can select one of the sample layouts from here. All right, this one looks good to me, so I can select this one. So I'm going to select this one and click continue. It says congratulations, you're almost there. Here you can verify the details, description, and these are the contact details. You can start building the website. All right, so it says your website is ready, and it took less than 2 minutes to create this fully functional website. And you will see the website URL, the username and the password. Now you can see that the domain of this temporary website is 𝗟𝗞𝗘.site. If when you go to business plan, you can change this domain and you can use your white label domain instead of 𝗟𝗞𝗘.site. Now let's see how does this look. Here you will see the link. If I click on it, it will open the website. It says enter OK. So this is a kind of security. Click submit. And this is how the website will look. You will see the name of the website. You can customize this, you can change this, and you will see the color combination is blue and white. You will see the phone number here, some information about your business. This is some information about your business. It has used the image, and these are the services offered on this website: home security, smart home solution, network security, get code. This will go to the contact page. If I click on it, it will go to the contact page, and some information, testimonials, about us, and this is the footer. So in the footer you will see the contact details, services, and about us. You will see the copyright text, and these are the social media icons. Let's go top. Let's go to contact, and this is how the contact page will look. You can customize this one. You will see a contact form is also added there. If I go to services, these are the services. All right, so this one looks good to me. If you want to add more pages, you can add more pages. In the prompt, we asked to create pages for the services, but it has not created the pages, but that's okay. We can create them manually. We just want to create the layout for your website. This is going to be the first draft of your website. You can then customize it, you can work on it, you can change the layout, and you can add your own information there on this website. Let's go to get a quote, and this will again be a contact page. Let's go back to home page. All right, so this one looks good to me. Let's go back. Let me close this one. And if I go to all sites, you will see the site that we created. Now, if you want to log in directly to the dashboard, you can simply click on it and it will go to the dashboard of the website. If you want to delete it, you can delete this website from here and create a new one. You will see the time to expire. So after 24 hours, it is going to expire the website. After 24 hours, website will be expired and it will get deleted automatically. Here you can add the label for this website. I'm going to add label that will be home security, that will be for which we created the website. And if you want to log in, I can click on it and it will log into the dashboard of the WordPress website. So this is a WordPress website. Let's go to the themes, appearance, and you will see that it is using 𝗟𝗚𝗏 theme. 𝗟𝗚𝗏 is one of the best WordPress theme. I have published many videos on how to use 𝗟𝗚𝗏 theme, how you can customize header and footer section in the 𝗟𝗚𝗏 theme. I'll give you links in the description box if you want to watch those videos also. Now let's go to plugins, and under plugin you will see that it is using Spectra plugin. Spectra is one of the best block editor. Basically, it is going to add blocks to your default WordPress editor, and you can use Spectra to customize the page of your website. You will see the Spectra here. I have published many videos on Spectra and Spectra Pro plugin. I'll give you the links in the description box. Let's go to the pages. Under pages, you will see that 4 pages are created. Let's go to home page, edit. And this is the home page. Now you will see all the sections on the home page. If you want to edit, you can simply go to that section and you can add your content or you can add your image there. It is super easy to customize or edit the WordPress website using Spectra and the default WordPress editor. If you want to add a new block, you can simply go to plus sign, and here you will see the list of blocks that you can add to your page. You will see the Spectra blocks also. So this is how you can create a fully functional WordPress website within minutes using this free tool. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.